Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to cut paper straight with scissors. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have a blank sheet of paper and a nice long pair of scissors, and these are basically the things that you need to cut a sheet of paper in a straight line, or any piece of paper for that matter, in a straight line using scissors. Now there are a few simple steps, but as a bonus tip, you want to use longer scissors. The longer scissors that you're using, the easier that it will be to cut a straight line. I do have my twins sitting behind me, so if you hear some babbling, it's just going to be just their way of saying hi. So if you appreciate the fact that they're behind me and they're just chilling, give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. I like to do some videos in front of my kids just to show them sort of what I do so they have a good idea. Most of my videos are filmed at night after they're all in bed, but some of them I like to do in front of them just so they can see what their dad does. So, all right, let's get back into the video. Essentially, the first thing is you want to have your sheet of paper nice and straight. So you don't want to be cutting a straight line on an angle like this, or it's going to be really hard. Whatever the direction is that you want to cut the straight line, you want to keep your sheet of paper nice and straight. The second thing is you want to keep your scissors nice and straight. Oftentimes we cut like this or like this. You want to avoid that. In order to cut a straight line, keep your scissors completely straight vertically like this, up and down. You want them horizontally, right? But you want your hands, the handles to be like this. And when you're ready to cut a straight line, you want to keep your paper straight, elevate it slightly, keep your scissors nice and straight, and then you want to get, the third step is to get a nice long cut like that. So as you can see, that is a perfectly straight line. And then the fourth step is if it requires more than one cut, you want to line up your scissors with the current cut that you have, okay? And then continue with a nice long cut. So look at the straightness of that. Look at how straight that cut is, okay? And I can continue going on further and further, but essentially there are 4 simple steps, okay? You want to make sure your paper is nice and straight. You want to make sure your scissors are nice and straight. You want to do a nice long cut. And then you want to make sure that if you're doing an additional cut, you're lining up your second, third, and however many more consecutive cuts with the cut before, okay? So I can continue going on and on, but essentially paper straight, scissors straight, nice long cut. You want to do the whole length of the scissors if possible. And then you also want to, continue lining up the cut. So I could do one more. I would line it up like this, make sure it's all in line, and long cut, entire length of the scissors. Look at the straightness of that cut. You can't even look at this. It almost blends in. You can't even tell that there's a cut there. Look, right? Look at it. That's ridiculous how straight that is. Okay, look at that. So that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Obviously, it's my time to go right now, as you can hear. So we're going to finish this video now, but I was done anyway. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.